Hello, everybody. Have you ever wondered what a simple lifestyle would be and how it would vastly improve your life? Sometimes I'm in a rush when I do simple tasks, but over the years, I've started enjoying myself, just taking my time to make really simple tasks a little bit more enjoyable. I decided midweek to start freshening up my beddings, do simple things like changing the pillowcase, freshening out the linen, changing the linen if need be. I try to change my linen once a week, but midweek I just try to change the pillowcase. So this is us trying to get a glimpse of the most gorgeous jasmine flower and climbing flower. Whenever we pass this house in the evening, the smell is just so beautiful, so delightful. And very early in the morning, when you sit in the balcony, you smell that jasmine, that rich, fresh smell of jasmine. So this is me taking off my cover, which I try to wash maybe once a month or twice a month, depending. And I take off the top bed sheet, and I'm just gathering the pillows out. I'm taking a silk scarf. I'm just chattering this, doing the usual natter chatter with my son, who is very reluctant to do it. He just wants to run out to play or do something more interesting than listen to me natter and chatter. So I just blow the bed sheet and then tuck them back right in, giving them a nice fresh. And here I am taking out more pillow from the linen cupboard. Sometimes I freshen my pillows. I try to wash my pillow maybe once a month. But yeah, I really like fresh pillowcases. So just popping them there on the bed. Continuing nattering. Actually, what we're talking about this afternoon was what to make for lunch. There's been a fierce debate of what one wants to eat. I would rather fancy something light like a salad, but they're pushing for freshly made sardines. So let's see who won. So this is me trying to swap out the old pillowcase with the new ones, and continue the debate over what to eat with my sons and the rest. So when you do this, you find how fresh everything smells as you lay down to sleep in the evening after a long day of very hard work. It's really fulfilling. And this is the most delightful trick that I learned from my dear auntie. She collects Hermes scarf. She has about 50 or so. I have 3, but this orange one is my absolute favorite because it highlights autumn. It reminds me of the rich golden colors of the leaf. And what I try to do is to encase the pillow that I sleep in with my silk scarf. So just like the silky face, it's quite smooth. And so this is what I do. I don't do it all the time. Sometimes when I find myself not really getting deep sleep or need that extra comfort, I just encase my pillow with this beautiful silk stuff here. This is from Heme, from the house of Heme, really beautiful. And I do top sheet. I'm a firm believer of doing a top sheet, even when during deep winter when I will bring out the duvet. I always try to use a top sheet because what happens with the top sheet is it helps circulate the air. It keeps you nice and fresh, and also warm as well. So the top sheet is the sheet that touches my body, and my duvet cover, or in this case sort of like a light blanket, goes over the top sheet. I really, I've been sleeping this way for a very long time, but I find that it really works. It's so comfortable, really comfortable. So I have a lot of flat sheet that acts as my top sheet. So this is me just adjusting the flat sheet. Checking to myself. I have to say at this time, it's really bored. Very bored. Itching to go. That's the only thing I can say. Itching to go. Yeah. So this is me smartening it up, dogging, nipping, smartening it up, and just clearing out all the little bits. So that's a straw hat that when we go for walks. It's not cold. Today was exceptional, beautiful day. But sometimes I have one type of hat or the other, either a face cap, a straw hat, a beret, all sorts of hats, beanie wears and stuff littered all over the house. Yeah, I collect hats. I have maybe 10. It's not a lot, but I love them. I love how they change the structure of what one is wearing. So I went to the store because I decided to bring some level of freshness to the bedside table. I picked out this orchid flower, and at the moment I'm reading Atomic Habit. Really fascinating read. I highly recommend. And then my little travel journal that I tend to write some thoughts down. So hopefully this orchid would last. Hopefully I won't get bored of it. But yeah. And the other bedside, I bought mother-in-law thong. I think that's what that flower is called. Just to spruce up the bedside and give it some style and some change, basically. I always love welcoming the season with something as simple as indoor plants or something really different, something small, but it's something that says a new season is upon us, or a new month is upon us, or something. It just helps freshen it up. So this is the end result of that bed making, and voila, fresh towels for tonight's shower. Just put in the hat there, and then just knit it. And I must update you all. By this time, my son has just moonwalked away. He just vanished. Just left me. So this is the final look. You could see my corner with the Hermes scarf, the silk scarf, encasing my pillow. And yeah, I love that painting. Really beautiful. Just reminds me of, beach life. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. This is my midweek bed prep. Just showing the 360 view, and we decided to go for a walk. And yes, these are hibiscus flowers. Really beautiful hibiscus flowers. The red one and the white one. Yep, we decided to get beautiful ice cream, very delicious. Last one of the season. One is chocolate mint, and the other one is caramel honeycomb. It was so delicious. I have to tell you that there's this brocante shop that we stopped at, looking at old, very old, nostalgic toys. I really love antiques. And we're just looking at the dolls. I'm so tempted because I really wanted to buy one or two things, but decided not to. So we were on our way to pick up the sardines. And this is the end result of that sardine. So I have to tell you, the boys won the argument. And I'm really grateful that they did. So we had this lovely late salad with the freshest sardine, and it was absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Hello, autumn. Goodbye, summer. Thank you. Bye bye, everybody. Hope you enjoyed watching this.